Hello everyone, it's a great day for Translated today. It's one step forward by being a completely carbon neutral company. So, to do AI, we do use a lot of energy in our data centers and in our campus. So, we don't like the way energy is produced today to serve us. And so we decided to solve the problem at the Translated way. We're makers. So, what's the best energy, the most clean energy possible? It's hydroelectric. And so what's the best way to do it? We bought an hydroelectric power plant. And here's our river. And because we're different and because we believe in reuse, we don't want to take and build something completely new. We decided to take one of the first hydroelectric power plants built in Italy and adapt it and restore it. And so here she is. So this was the third hydroelectric power plant designed in Italy by Hermann Einstein, the father of Albert Einstein. It will produce 200 kilowatts constant. That would be sufficient to cover all our data center needs and the campus needs. So super happy that we're making one step forward in reuse and being carbon neutral.